This is the first high-speed train from Beijing to Chongli in Zhangjiakou, Hebei province. It travels at a speed of up to 350 kilometers per hour. A new line shortens the 174-kilometer trip from over 3 hours to less than 1. So let's have a ride. It has newly added intelligent modules like the light system. It can adjust automatically based on the environment and how many passengers are on board. The one particular thing the conductor told me is they are using self-driving and Beidou navigation satellite system on this train to deliver passengers to their destinations fast and on time. There are 10 stations on the line, including one at the famous section of Balading section of the Great Wall. All these stations are equipped with smart devices, robots, and 5G networks. And the traveling experience on this line is excellent. So I'm planning a trip with my family on this line already.